What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a vacuum pump actuator cover with cap. Pretty easy. All you're going to need is a 10mm socket. This is what the kit comes with. Just a plate, the cover with Velcro inside. This is actually inside this. I just took it off. It's just double-sided Velcro. All we're going to do is take this off. Alright, once you got those two bolts off, just want to take the plate, lay it on top, those bolts. Take this, pull it off. Center. For the cap. Velcro. And I'm gonna tighten these up, but you just take these caps and put them on top. Alright, this is the final look. The link will be in the description for this piece if you're interested. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Until next time.